Potentiality of bamboo-based industries to be discussed at Bamboo Artisans Conclave. Mudslide disrupts traffic on Imphal-Dimapur Road. And heavy rain, acute waterlogging throw life out of gear in Bihar. Hello, you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. To promote bamboo-based industries, Tripura Bamboo Mission would organize a Bamboo Artisans Conclave at Rabindra Bhavan tomorrow. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev would inaugurate the conclave while Forest Minister Mewar Kumar Jamatia and MLA Rampada Jamatia are scheduled to grace the occasion, a report said. TIDC Chairman Tinku Roy, Chairman of Tripura Khadi and Village Industries Board, Chief Secretary Dr. U. Venkateshwarlu and Vice Chairman of Tripura Planning Board R.K. Mature will attend the program. Hundreds of bamboo artisans would join the program aimed at throwing light on the potentiality of bamboo-based industries. Of late, the state government and TIDC have been promoting bamboo-based industries to turn around the rural economy. It may be noted that the Northeast contributes 60% of bamboo requires of the entire nation, but value addition is very less with compared to the production. A mudslide that occurred yesterday in between Mao and Kuzama near CRPF exchange point along the Imphal-Dimapur highway disrupted vehicular movement for some hours. As per reports, traffic movement on the highway stretched, resuming this morning. It may be noted that the landslide-prone National Highway 2 often disrupts vehicular movement during rainfall. Heavy rain and acute waterlogging for the last 36 hours in Patna and certain parts of Bihar have thrown life out of gear, with the district administration pressing the state disaster response force to shift marooned people to safer places. Earlier, the state disaster management department had surrounded red alert in 13 districts of Bihar for heavy rain. The situation in Katihar, Purnia, Vaishali, Muzaffarpur, Patna, Begusarai, Krishnaganga and Bad with incessant heavy rain for the last 36 hours. In Patna, certain areas like Rajendra Nagar, Kadamkon, Kankarabagh, Patlipura Colony and Lohanipur situation have become worse, with people having to tackle neck-deep water owing to continuous rain. The Sangha Express and ISTV networks have jointly organized the second series of Youth Conclave under the theme Exploring a Better Future for Mankind at Sangha Continental and MG Avenue, Imphal today. The conclave was held in view of a sizable number of youths and professionals from the state having educated and trained in different social systems of the country and abroad, and also with a view to share their past experiences with the local youths for a better roadmap and also for the nation to explore new vistas to expand and channelize state's human resources. Sangha Express and ISTV networks organized such event in soliciting the value inputs. Chairman of Feeds Hamburg, Haukholet Kipgen, Sangha Express publisher Nishikant Singh Sapam, Assistant Commissioner to Deputy Commissioner Imphal West Pujai Langbam and Professor L. Jibon Kumar Sharma attended the conclave as resource persons. A new branch of Friendly Environment Warrior Juribam was opened today at Halighat Gram Panchayat branch. A meeting was also held at Bidyanagar Maning Lekai Mandop Juribam, which was followed by a tree plantation program. President of Halighat Gram Panchayat branch N. Brojeshwar, Vice President L. Noni Gopal Singh, General Secretary L. Ranjan Singh, Treasurer T. Nikesh Singh, among others attended the event. General Secretary of Hilghat GP branch L. Ranjan Singh expressed happiness on opening a branch of FEW at the Hilghat Gram Panchayat. He also assured to extend support to FEW in making a greener Jiribam under Jiri Green Mission.
Gajibi Kaltanga and Hukudana, Mayam Punamosu, as a woman in Pangani Hadana, and Gajibi, few and Saturday.
Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next. Chinky Homo Project in association with non-profit group NAS Foundation host 11th edition of Water Pride Night at Comic Theme Restaurant Water Comic Show in Delhi.
Nupi ekhoi gidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi Chinganingai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Khudo.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom now monsoon season lakada monsoon offer pijiri India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyamda phanganjari ho sangbai ma takpada electric prepaid ta supnata ki lupa ni makhai mai jai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak lingsin birau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam.
Welcome back. Chinky Homo Project in association with non-profit group NAS Foundation hosted the 11th edition of Water Pride Night, a comic-themed restaurant water comic show in Delhi last evening. It is worth mentioning that the comic-themed restaurant is owned by Bhopen Chingam and Pooja Moirangthem. The central idea behind Water Pride Night is creating a safe space for queer community, where they could freely express and feel proud for who they are. Chinky Homo Project is the brainchild of Kumam Davidson and Sagosem Pavel. They aim to archive narratives of queer people living in and around outside the Northeast. Lions Club of Nambol, Lions Club of International District 322D extended help to two impoverished individuals of Nambol Khongam Awang Lekai. Lions Club provided edibles to Wahengbam Mohindro, aged 46 years, and Lukram Loidang, aged 57 years. Dr. P. Sanajauba said that the help was extended under the program Feed the Hungers, retaliating to World Food Day. Dr. Sanajauba added that he will continue to do so in the future too.
Lions Club of Nambol na hariba aikoi Kanorsuda Nambolgi Bazar Simaktada, Equina Suamuk Matangi, Mayamgi, Sing Taknaki, drinking water for all, Masigi Torangam, so Matangi, Step Moina, Matangi program on Packet Jagani, TOMTV, in our Roman, Amati, Equigi, Ishil Expresski, in our Adumba, in our Shingasu, Equigi, Matam Ayambada, Equina Tojaba, program Singda. Coverage, media coverage, lobby dona, Mayamda, Equina Tojaba, service Kara, Kangan Bibagi Damatasu, Equina Hanan, Tagacheri.
Koi Lions Club of Nambon, the members in now, don't Zagidama, Mating Pangbi, Riva, Sidaina, Samna, Tawak Janyona, Tagasaba, Noajava, Pondogari.
YLL Club Kundrakpum today conducted a cleanliness drive in Kundrakpum area of Imphal East. The cleanliness drive was held ahead of Irawat Day observance tomorrow. A team of Imphal West Commando last evening arrested two drug peddlers from Kanchipur, Maitei, Lamkhai. As per reports, the commando team seized 10,400 pieces of WY tablets worth over rupees 2 lakh along with a Maruti van with registration number MN04A4567 from their possession. According to the reports, the arrested were identified as 53-year-old Samoijam Singhajit Singh of Pukaho, Iranfom, Tongkong and 54-year-old Kubong Mayum Ranjit Singh of Kurai Hekru, Makong, Imphal. They were handed over to Sinjumai police station for further legal action. As part of Swachhata Hi Seva, the District Water and Sanitation Committee, PHED Bishnupur and Shunusify Welfare Association jointly conducted a cleanliness program in and around the surrounding area of India Peace Memorial Complex, Maibam Lokpaching. On the other hand, US-based Gitanjali Lashram Sanaujam and her friends also installed a selfie point at the venue.
Area asisu koigi plastic single use plastic asi asoki matek yamna sakhairam kare aduna yaragadi afam asida lam koibi raiba miyam sing aduga tedim road ki sida yam toina chatpiriba gari thauraga chatpiriba isini nauk singna chaba thakpa loiraga koigi sorok ki nageta aduga sigumba tourist point asida plastic ki waste asi heda langthokpa asi tawbiganu haibadu ngasigi aikoina tawjariba Sitpa Sengba, Aduga plastic waste collection Tauba, Asigi, Kodong Chava, Loroga Miam, the Ina Apil Tokjari.
All Nitration Centration Sawangbong Regular Voluntary Blood Donation Group and Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS jointly organized a blood donation camp at Sawangbong Community Hall, Imphal East today. The blood donation camp was sponsored by State Blood Cell, NHM Manipur. Around 60 people from Sawangbong area donated blood during the camp. Under the initiative of Superintendent of Police, Thoubal District Dr. S. Ibomcha, a felicitation function for dutiful and responsible police personnel of Thoubal District was held at the Thoubal SP office complex. Selected police personnel were awarded with cash, trophy and certificates at the occasion. Dr. S. P. Ibomcha in his speech said that the achievement of Thoubal Police came through teamwork of every police personnel at different ranks of the district police. Additional District Magistrate of Thoubal and Radhakanta, Additional Superintendent of Police, Law and Order, Thoubal, Tingam Deshorjit and Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Sachidananda Soibam attended the event as main guest.
SP na tabak khudimak tawba yaba nate aigi nungshiraba additional SP sing DSP sing SDPO sing aduga aigi nungshiraba personnel sing ministerial staff ki store ki MT ki aigi nungshiraba koi BDF personnel sing aduga SPO ki kambu sing punamak sing kina yam chaungna pulap Masana Masabu self motivation to Jarakanda, quite of the Viadi and a Kanata, the equipment, Kana Pangam.
Time for another short break, but do stay tuned for more news.
B Brickfill की quality control तौरब check सिंग मखल सुना फंग बिरगनी लोइना लोइना ना customer सिंग या पाम check की class नियम चुम्ना फंगना ना बामदी check की मसिंग सुना फंगना बगी दमक checkon या खन्ना बगारी दा थाजगनी ngasi maglengsin birau B Brickfill Wangjing Sabal Chekon near Khongjom War Memorial natraga contact WU 70051341330 natraga 70055133073.
Welcome back. A joint team of Anti-Narcotic Task Force, East Jaintia Hills, Kheliarit Police Station, Lerimbai Outpost at Umkhaing Patrol Post recovered a huge consignment of narcotic items including more than 1 lakh yaba tablets, 18 kilograms of ganja and 30.63 grams of heroin. The exercise, which started at 8 p.m. on September 27, concluded at around 2 p.m. yesterday. East Jaintia Hills Superintendent of Police Vivekananda Singh informed that at about 5:15 a.m. yesterday, a fuel tanker travelling from Imphal to Guwahati was intercepted at Kheliarit Police Station and thorough checking was conducted. During checking, one yellow plastic gunny bag containing 1,02,000 yaba world is yours tablet weighing approximately 11 kilograms worth more than rupees 2 crore in international market was found concealed. The driver and handyman of the tanker have been arrested, but their names and particulars were not disclosed in the interest of investigation, the report said. Tripura police arrested a Bangladeshi national last evening along with 2 pistols and 4 magazines. The arrested Bangladeshi national was identified as Onumoy Chakma. As per reports, he was apprehended during an operation carried out by a team of Natun Bazar police station. Based on the tip-off, a team of police started search operation in the vehicles and was able to nab Anumoy Chakma from a bus along with arms and ammunition. Tourism in Assam is to enter a new phase with Assam Tourism Development Corporation's collaboration with Instagram to promote tourism for the state. A formal unveiling of the hashtag Awesome Assam by Instagram took place yesterday in Guwahati. An exhibition has also been organized showcasing selected photographs of Assam already posted in Instagram. A workshop for tourism stakeholders has also been organized for making best use of Instagram's power of visual storytelling. The show of support for Beijing came after another day of violence in the semi-autonomous Chinese territory that sparked fears of more ugly scenes that could embarrass Chinese President Xi Jinping as his ruling Communist Party marks its 70th year in power on Tuesday. Pro-democracy advocates have called for a major rally to coincide with the celebrations in Beijing. Police yesterday fired tear gas and water cannons after protesters threw bricks and fire bombs at government buildings following a massive rally in downtown Hong Kong. The clashes were part of a familiar cycle since protests began in June over a now-shelved extradition bill and have since snowballed into an anti-China movement with demands for democratic reforms. Protesters are planning to march on Tuesday despite a police ban. Many said they will wear mourning black in a direct challenge to the authority of the Communist Party, with posters calling for October 1st as to be marked as a day of grief. Austrians began voting today in snap elections in which the Conservatives looked set to triumph but faced difficulties finding a partner to govern after a corruption scandal brought down their last coalition with the far right. According to reports, the People's Party led by 33-year-old Sebastian Kurz is predicted to win around 33%, up slightly from the last elections but 2 years ago, but not enough to form a majority government. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
This Shanghai Express, UCM boasts fast any threat posed by Nagafi stock. Drug seized from oil tanker, many places. MPCC chief accuses BJP and its allies of distorting history. CM leaves Imphal for Delhi. Diesel's autos operate sans registration. The Imphal Free Press this Sunday. State Forest weigh down of PWD for felling tree, therefore warns of legal action. Family education system and society are tripod of learning. The People's Chronicle. NSC and IM Government of India stock put state in jeopardy. UCM. Talks to resolve crisis in state today. GTC petitions PM over poor bridge job. Gaikhangam ridicules in fighting within BJP government. The Morning Bell. BJP legislature weighing for power while people are reeling under various issues. Gaikhangam. 2 youths arrested by cybercrime police. Much before Make in India, Gandhi taught self-reliance. Imphal police led by SP kicks up cleanliness drive.
Now the top headlines once again. Potentiality of bamboo-based industries to be discussed at Bamboo Artisans Conclave. Mudslide disrupts traffic on Imphal to Manipur Road. And heavy rain, acute water lodging, throw life out of gear in Bihar. This is all for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur for more news.